Thinking about ordering from Gerwen Mode, the site shows off stylish fashion with a sleek, modern vibe, but is it actually a trustworthy store or just another scam in disguise? Before we begin, quick disclaimer, everything in this video is based on public information and personal opinion. Also, a lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide to know. So links in the description. ThenGerwenMode.com looks like a trendy fashion site with clean designs and what seem like good deals. But according to Scam Advisor, things might not be as smooth as they seem. The site's trust score is low and there's limited transparency around who runs the store. No real customer reviews, no solid social proof, and not much contact info either. That's kind of a red flag if you're spending money. So is Van Gerwen Mode legit? Honestly, it looks risky. It could be a real store, but with such little public feedback and warning signs on Scam Advisor, it might be better to hold off or shop somewhere with a more solid rep. If you've actually ordered from Van Gerwen Mode, tell us how it went. Scam or solid? Drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more no-fluff reviews and sketchy and viral stores.